you're going to get rid of all of those patches that have seemingly no information. You can see examples from the top and the bottom.
Today's session is about applications of digital pathology. So we will be exploring how images can be used to make predictions about diagnosis and prognosis of different types of disease, and how we can use machine learning approaches as a way to analyze the data and infer useful information from those images to hopefully improve patient care. What is different between the session that we'll be running today and other efforts at the intersection of machine learning and healthcare is that we will be emphasizing how to load, organize, process, and model real-world digital pathology data. Students that are trained in data science are very good at processing data and modeling data, but not necessarily so acquainted with the challenges that real data in its raw form bring. So the session will introduce the idea of going from raw data in its unprocessed form through all the way of processing data, organizing data, and modeling the data to try to close that gap in the training of students of data science at different levels. This is part of a series that we call Data Studios. We have plans to have upcoming sessions for other applications of machine learning in healthcare, initially around medical imaging. So we are thinking about sessions in ophthalmology, dermatology, radiology, cardiology, but then we will branch out to other applications, including natural language processing and electronic health records.